and welcome to Craft with Sarah. I am very excited to announce that registration is now open for my annual Christmas Craft Countdown event. The Christmas Craft Countdown is my yearly festive extravaganza where I share 20 brand new Christmas cricket craft projects in 20 days. Keep watching to find out how to register your free ticket. The countdown dates are the 11th to the 30th of November. It's earlier this year, so you have more time to make the projects before Christmas. From layered SVGs to vinyl projects, greetings cards, and even 3D papercraft designs, each project uses different skills to help you master your cricket and create a fabulous collection of festive Christmas crafts. This year, I've invited some of my crafting friends to the countdown, and they have all kindly created a guest project to share with you. 11 of the Christmas Craft Countdown projects are created by me, and 9 are from the wonderful and talented crafters who you can see on the screen now. Each day's project comes with at least one SVG cut file or printable, a materials list, full written tutorial, and a step-by-step video. The projects are kept secret until their release dates, but you can see some previews on the screen here. Get your free ticket at craftwithsarah.com/Christmas23. From the 11th to the 30th of November, you'll receive a daily email with links to download that day's cut file. Now, as I said, the tickets are absolutely free. You do not have to pay for the Christmas Craft Countdown. However, with the free tickets, each SVG download is only available for 24 hours after it goes live. After that time runs out, you won't be able to download it anymore. If you'd prefer to download them all at once and get instant access to everything right now so you don't have to wait until November, here's how. After signing up for a free ticket, you'll be given the option to upgrade to the Instant Access Bundle. The Instant Access Bundle gives you immediate access to 20 Christmas Craft Countdown projects, which means you can download the files, read the tutorials, and watch the videos straight away. Projects in the Instant Access Bundle do not expire, so you can access them whenever you want, as many times as you want. You'll also get exclusive bonuses, including printable PDF worksheets for every project, which shows how to make the craft, and an edited transcript of each video. Other bonuses included in the Instant Access Bundle are these additional 4 layered SVG files, 4 Christmas greetings cards, layered papercraft Christmas tree decorations, and this collection of SVGs for vinyl crafts. Whether you decide to purchase the Instant Access Bundle or not, I strongly recommend going ahead and grabbing your free ticket now, as you can upgrade to the Instant Access Bundle at any time before or during the countdown. But bear in mind, the bundle is currently being offered at a special price, so start thinking about it now. So don't delay, go to craftwithsarah.com/Christmas23 right now and get your free ticket. If you have any questions about the countdown, leave me a comment or send an email to sarah@craftwithsarah.com. Don't forget, one new crafting project will be released every day from the 11th to the 30th of November. But if you decide to purchase the Instant Access Bundle, you don't need to wait for the countdown to begin. All projects will automatically become available to use straight away, so you can begin your festive crafting right now. One more time, the link to sign up for your free ticket to the Christmas Craft Countdown is craftwithsarah.com/Christmas23. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye!